Hey everyone! The ElevenLabs voice changer is the most powerful way to transform your vocal identity while keeping your original emotion, pacing, and delivery. Unlike traditional text-to-speech, this tool uses your actual voice as the blueprint for the AI performance. Step 1. Access the Voice Changer portal. We are starting in the playground. We do this because the voice changer is a specialized tool that requires an audio input rather than a text box. Log in to ElevenLabs. On the left-hand sidebar under the Product or Playground section, select Voice Changer. You will see a large Upload/Record box. In 2026, this tool supports files up to 50 megabytes and recordings up to 5 minutes. Step 2. Choose your target voice and model. Now we move to vocal identity and logic. This defines who you will sound like and how the AI processes your speech. Select a target voice from the library or your own clones. Under the Voice drop-down, select your model. 11 Multilingual V2 is the gold standard for stability and natural pauses. And now we are moving to surgical control. These sliders determine how much of you stays in the clip versus how much of the AI takes over. Stability keeps the voice consistent, set to 35 to 40% for expressive acting, go higher, 60% plus, if the voice starts to glitch or sound too wild. Similarity boost controls how much the output sounds like the target voice. Keep this between 75 and 80%. Going to 100% can sometimes introduce robotic artifacts. Style exaggeration is the drama button. Crank this up 50% plus for storytelling or intense character work, or keep it low for a natural, grounded conversation. Now we finish with studio-grade polish. These 2026 features allow you to turn a bedroom recording into a professional studio file instantly. Toggle this on to have the AI filter out fans, traffic, or hiss before it transforms your voice. It ensures the AI only swaps the speech, not the noise. Speaker Boost is a feature to enhance the presence and clarity of the target voice, making it sound more authoritative and closer to the microphone, perfect for professional narration. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.